Hello everyone, I am Aditya and welcome back to the technical analysis series of the Finance and Investment Cell of Kirori College, in which we analyze stock market based on some trend analysis. In the last video, Ayush have predicted that market might fall on 3rd of March, but to everyone's surprise, market shows a complete rebound on 3rd of March and indicating some positive signs, which was to everyone's shock. Now, today the market opened at around 21975, which was expected because the Nasdaq in USA closed at around 2.5% down, so Indian market will obviously respond to it. In today's video, we'll be using the same indicators to predict tomorrow's performance of market based on today's performance. So let's start with the first indicator, which is the moving average. In this case, I'll be taking the 15-minute candle and the length of the moving average will be 50. Just a second. Here we go. We can clearly see that market have been performing under the moving average line from quite a long time, but today when the market closed, it closed almost slightly above the moving average line, which is a positive sign, and it indicates that market might show some positive signs tomorrow as well. So now let's move to our second indicator, which is the Bollinger Band. The length of the Bollinger Band which I have taken is 20 and the standard deviation is 2. We can clearly see that throughout the day the market have performed below the moving average line and closely to the lower band, but before closing the market have performed above the moving average line and closed at somewhat near the upper band, which is again a positive sign. Now let's move to a third indicator, which is the super trend. Super trend indicates about the selling pressure or buying pressure in the market, and we can clearly see that the market has been completely bearish and there has been massive selling pressure which has continued today as well. So now let's move to our last indicator, which is the relative strength index or RSI. Before starting with the analysis, I'll be taking the 60-40 RSI, which is the traditional RSI which is used for trend analysis. I'll be eliminating the middle line for better presentation. Before starting with the analysis, let me quickly give you an overview about what RSI is. If market is trading below the 40 RSI, it is a bearish sentiment and it indicates oversold conditions. Where if market is trading above the 60 RSI, it is a positive sign for the market. But today, as we can see, that market closed at around 50 RSI, exactly between the 60-40 RSI. So there is not much of prediction that RSI can give us for tomorrow's market, and market could go either ways. So now let's sum up our entire discussion and let me give you a brief of today's performance. Today the market closed at around 22082.65, indicating a downward of 0.17%, which has continued bear run. The moving average line closed above the 50-day moving average, indicating positive signs. The Bollinger Band also closed near the upper band, that indicates that market might potentially go up tomorrow as well. The super trend has a complete different story. It indicates continued selling pressure on the market. The RSI was trading exactly between the 60-40 RSI, indicating market could go either ways. So the prediction for today's video is that there has been massive selling pressure in the market for quite a long time, but now market might show some positive signs tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Do share your views in the comment section.